How to find and copy ton address on Trust Wallet. Before we start, if you're interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Trust Wallet and sign in with your Face ID or passcode. Then you're gonna need to click on the Manage Crypto on the top right and then click on the search icon again. Make sure that it is selected on all network, or if you want to go with a specific, let's say you want to simply go for the ton address, you can simply search for it. Otherwise, let me just show you how it will look like if I search for ton. We will have three tokens which we can enable just like so. Now let's say you want to receive it on the Ethereum network, so you just need to enable this, or if you want to receive your ton coin on BNB smart chain, you can simply enable this. Or if you want to only receive your ton coin on the ton wallet address, you just need to enable only that. And then if I go back and go for my ton by scrolling all the way down and clicking on it, as you can see on the top, do not send Jetons token add-ons such as USDT, Notcoin, etc. to your wallet as we don't support it yet. So you will only be able to copy your particular Ton wallet address and then you can simply send from the particular network only on the Ton network. So you need to also keep this point in mind. If I go for the send option and then paste my particular address just like so, I can click on the continue and then enter the amount. Make sure to always go with a smaller amount first, like $5 or $10, and go for the larger amount once you have received it into your account. So hope this helped. This is how you can find and copy ton address on Trust Wallet.